Alright, in our latest video we're going to go ahead and show how to make a charger pack or an adapter for your charger for your new 9.6 volt 200 milliamp battery pack with JST connector. Here is our JST connector plug. You can pick these up in both male and female. Pack of 25 for just a couple bucks. Strongly suggest picking up these and picking up the other packs which need to be assembled. Here's all the tips that come from the inside of this, and there's all the plastic pieces. I bought both, keep them on supply because I do a lot of RC stuff. As we discussed, your red wire is your positive, your black is your negative. Just like on a car battery. When you get down to dealing with wall outlet or alternate current, AC as opposed to DC, your black, solid black line is your negative. Your white line, or white stripe line in this case, is your positive. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make an adapter to get these two put together, from JST to Tamiya. In order to do that, we're going to need our Tamiya kit. Just like the JST, it comes in male and female. You can buy packs of them, and they come on a strip like this. I already have some cut out, so all we have to do is go ahead and put them on. Now, if you remember in my last video, I explained the difference between male and female. This is what I call a male plug and a female plug. However, that's not the case if you buy these. If you buy them, these are the female, these are the male. And the reason why is because on the inside of this, that tubular piece is the female coupling. This, which will go inside what I call the female connector, is actually the male piece, which would go right into these. Now, most important thing before you start working, do not plug your charger in. I'm going to say this again. Do not plug your charger in. We're going to work with this unplugged so there's no live power going through it. Otherwise, you're going to be shocked at what happens. Alright, so now I have, well, same piece as this, but I cut off the ends a little bit more, so that way I have a little bit more wire to work with. What we're going to do first is we're going to, one at a time, go ahead and put these inside the positive, and then we're going to crimp it down. The same thing with the negative. We're going to crimp it down. I said in my last video that my father likes to solder these. I don't. I'm not a big fan of using a soldering iron if I don't have to. So I'll just go ahead and get these crimped really well and really tight so that they won't budge. Feel free to solder if you'd like. I'm going to skip that part. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, get these done, and we'll come right back. Alright, now we got those put together. So all we got to do is just put it in here. The easiest way to do that is first, once again, we make sure it's not plugged in. Alright, after we do that, go ahead and take our plug, get it all plugged in there, just like that. Now we see where the positive is with the white line. Now we know where the positive goes in this one. Positive to positive, and negative to negative. And give it a little pull. It's a nice tight fit. There we are. Now we're all set to plug in our JST connectors. There it is. We're all set to plug that in and start charging. Thank you so very much, everybody, for watching my video, and I hope you have a lot of fun with your RC stuff.